My new work boots from RockRooster just came in. Let's open them up and check them out. Got the size 15 here. So there it is. So these conform to American Standard ASTM. So the steel toe on this is going to keep you safe no matter what you're doing. I've got to say, these feel really nice right off the bat. They got some really nice tread on them. These are made out of full grain leather, so that's going to be durable and water resistant. I really like that they put these on both sides so you can slip into them easy. On the inside here we can see the Cool Max material. That's going to help with temperature control, moisture wicking, and make these quick drying. You can see on the front of these they have a nice wide width as to. Got a great looking imprinted logo here. We have a slip proof sole on here. You can see it's acid resistant, oil resistant, and we have it's a PU/TPU outsole. This whole boot feels real nice. If you're looking for a great work boot, go ahead and check these out.